In an era where remote work and digital nomadism are becoming the norm, many countries are introducing incentives to attract new residents. Some nations offer cash grants, tax breaks, or financial support to people willing to relocate. These initiatives aim to revitalize rural areas, boost local economies, and address demographic challenges like declining populations. In this article, we will explore 8 countries that will pay you to move there in 2025, providing details on each program and what it takes to qualify. 1. Italy. Italy is famous for its rich history, stunning landscapes, and delicious cuisine. To combat depopulation in certain rural areas, the country has implemented several financial incentives to encourage new residents. Calabria region offers up to €28,000 over 3 years to individuals who move to villages with fewer than 2,000 residents and start a small business. The goal is to revitalize small communities by fostering local entrepreneurship. Molise region provides €700 per month for 3 years, €25,000 total, for newcomers who settle in villages with fewer than 2,000 inhabitants and commit to starting a business. This initiative aims to stimulate the local economy and attract younger residents. Sicily and Sardinia. Some towns in these regions have launched €1 home schemes, where properties are sold at a symbolic price in exchange for a commitment to renovate them within a certain period. These programs aim to restore historic villages and boost tourism. Trentino Alto Adige region. In specific areas like Vermiglio, grants of up to €100,000 are available for families willing to purchase and renovate vacant homes. The grant covers €20,000 for the purchase price and 40% of renovation costs up to €200,000. These programs are designed to breathe new life into small communities, support local businesses, and preserve Italy's cultural heritage. 2. Spain. Spain has several initiatives aimed at addressing depopulation in rural areas and promoting economic growth by attracting new residents. Ponga, Asturias. This picturesque village in northern Spain provides a grant of €3,000 to young couples who move there, with an additional €3,000 for each child born in the village. The program is intended to encourage young families to settle and boost the local economy. Rubia, Galicia. This small village offers a monthly subsidy ranging from €100 to €150 for new residents who decide to make Rubia their home. The initiative aims to attract more people to the region and revitalize local businesses. Azesta, Galicia. In an effort to combat depopulation, this village offers free housing to new residents who commit to living there long-term and contributing to the local economy. Grants for remote workers. Several Spanish regions, including Andalusia and Valencia, are launching programs that provide financial support for remote workers willing to relocate. These programs often include tax incentives, grants, and housing assistance. €1 homes in rural areas. Similar to Italy, Spain has introduced schemes where houses in depopulated villages are sold for a symbolic price, requiring buyers to invest in renovations within a set time frame. These initiatives reflect Spain's commitment to revitalizing its rural communities by attracting young professionals, families, and entrepreneurs. 3. Switzerland. Switzerland, known for its breathtaking landscapes and high standard of living, has been facing population decline in some of its smaller villages. To counteract this, certain regions offer financial incentives to attract new residents. Albanon, Valar. This scenic village provides generous grants to families willing to settle permanently. Adults receive 25,000 Swiss francs, approximately $28,000, while each child receives an additional 10,000 Swiss francs, about $11,000. To qualify, applicants must be under 45 years old, commit to living in Albanon for at least 10 years, and purchase a property valued at a minimum of 200,000 Swiss francs. This initiative aims to boost the local economy and sustain the village's population. Other Swiss villages. While Albanon is the most well-known, other Swiss municipalities have experimented with similar initiatives, offering financial support to newcomers who commit to long-term residence and investment in the community. Business and tax incentives. Switzerland is also attractive for entrepreneurs due to its business-friendly environment, low corporate tax rates, and various investment grants available in different cantons. These programs help revitalize rural communities while offering newcomers a high quality of life in one of Europe's most stable economies. 4. Greece. Greece, with its rich history, stunning coastlines, and warm Mediterranean climate, is offering incentives to attract new residents, particularly to its less populated islands. Antikythera Island. This remote island between Crete and the Peloponnese offers €500 per month for 3 years, €18,000 total, to families willing to relocate. The initiative, supported by the Orthodox Church of Greece, aims to bring new life to the island, which has fewer than 50 permanent residents. Priority is given to Greek nationals or those with Greek heritage, but foreigners are also considered if they plan to integrate into the community. Other Greek islands, while Antikythera is the most well-known, other Greek islands such as Ikaria and Tylos are offering similar financial assistance, housing incentives, and job placement programs for new residents. Rural business grants. The Greek government has introduced financial incentives for entrepreneurs willing to establish businesses in rural or island areas. These grants help cover startup costs and operational expenses for small businesses, particularly those in agriculture, hospitality, and sustainable tourism. Tax incentives for remote workers. Greece has also implemented tax breaks for digital nomads and expatriates who move there. A 50% income tax reduction is available for qualifying professionals who relocate and work remotely from Greece. 5. Ireland. Ireland offers a variety of financial incentives aimed at attracting remote workers, entrepreneurs, and new residents to its rural areas and business-friendly cities. Enterprise Ireland. This government initiative provides funding and tax credits to approved startups that move to Ireland. The program is designed to attract international entrepreneurs by offering grants, mentorship, and access to EU markets. Our Living Islands initiative, Ireland, is offering grants of up to €84,000 for people willing to relocate to one of its offshore islands. The program includes support for housing, business development, and infrastructure improvements to make island living more attractive. Rural island incentives. Some rural areas provide relocation bonuses, tax breaks, and housing assistance for skilled professionals who commit to working in local communities. Digital Nomad Visa. Ireland is developing a program aimed at attracting remote workers with tax advantages and streamlined visa processes. These initiatives aim to boost Ireland's rural economies while providing excellent opportunities for individuals looking for a fresh start in a scenic and welcoming country. 6. Japan. Japan is tackling urban migration trends by offering financial support to those willing to settle in rural areas. Regional Revitalization Program provides up to 1 million yen, approximately $7,000, per person to move to rural villages, with additional grants of 3 million yen, approximately $21,000, for starting a business. Applicants must commit to residing in the area for at least 5 years. Tokyo Relocation Grants. Japan offers grants of 1 million yen, $7,000, per person and 3 million yen, $21,000, per family to encourage people to leave overcrowded Tokyo and settle in less populated areas. Business incentives. Entrepreneurs who establish businesses in Japan's rural areas may qualify for additional financial aid, low-interest loans, and tax benefits. Visa programs for foreigners. Japan has introduced easier residency options for skilled professionals and remote workers willing to contribute to the local economy. These programs seek to revive Japan's shrinking rural communities and support local economies by attracting new residents. 7. Chile, a paradise for adventurers and entrepreneurs alike. From the otherworldly dunes of the Atacama Desert to the snow-capped peaks of Patagonia, Chile is a dream destination for travelers. But beyond its natural wonders, this South American nation is also making waves as a thriving hub for startups and innovation. From mining to tech, Chile's economic evolution. Historically known for its mining industry, Chile has been actively diversifying its economy by fostering entrepreneurship. One of its most notable initiatives is Startup Chile, a groundbreaking accelerator program designed to attract global talent and fuel innovation. Startup Chile, funding your entrepreneurial journey. Since 2016, Startup Chile has offered 3 tailored programs to support startups at different stages of growth, all with equity-free funding and valuable resources. 1. Build a 4-month program designed to help startup entrepreneurs launch their business. You'll receive 10 million pesos, around $14,000, and access to a co-working space along with a 1-year resident visa. 2. Ignite, a 4-month program aimed at small startups that are already off the ground but need help expanding. The program allocates around $30,000 equity-free and offers an additional $30,000 extension. 3. Growth, targeted to advanced or larger startups. This program allocates $80,000 in funding to help innovate and build a better community. To apply to any of the programs, you have to fill out a form with details about your startup idea or business. It's similar to other VC and startup accelerator application programs and can be done entirely in English. If you pass that stage, you'll be invited to an interview. Whether you're an entrepreneur seeking funding or a traveler chasing adventure, Chile offers the best of both worlds. Will your startup be the next success story? These 7 countries provide attractive financial incentives for individuals and families seeking a fresh start in 2025. Whether you are looking for a rural retreat, a business opportunity, or a tax-friendly relocation, these destinations offer a unique chance to build a new life. With cash grants, tax breaks, and housing assistance, moving abroad has never been more accessible. If you've ever dreamed of starting over in a beautiful new country, now is the time to explore your options.